morning, people on the internet. It's actually afternoon, and today is finally the day when we're gonna start working actually on the things that don't matter in a car at all, which is a bit stupid, is the brakes. So we got some nice goodies here. Some brake pads and brake discs for the front. The guy in the shop said that this is for Nissan Almera, but it's okay.
Maybe he didn't know what he's selling. Let's see. I think this should work.
Oh!
I bet something's not gonna fit.
Of course. Oh!
That fits. This one's R, so it's right.
Right,
So
so this one is left. But we don't have any nuts to hold them, no?
Yeah, there's no nuts. We need to buy some nuts. Like this. Oh yeah, look different.
Yeah, perfect. Now the question is, will these fit?
Brembo. Yeah, that's the one.
Seems alright.
Okay, so I think, so just to put the brakes on, we need these two. Okay, we have a new brakes in. Unfortunately, these wheels are too small now to fit, so we're gonna go back. Oh, we're not gonna go back.
They were 5-stud.
I was just gonna say that we're gonna go back to the Steelies, but the Steelies were 5-stud ones. These are 4-stud ones.
What else do we have that's 4-stud?
I don't think we have anything. Wait. It was pretty hard for me to find a brake master cylinder and a brake booster for the S13. I couldn't find anywhere new parts, so I decided to buy a used one. The good thing is that we know it's gonna fit because it's from the S13. The bad thing is that we don't know if it actually works, but let's just hope it's gonna work and see if it fits. We just need to connect this one to the pedal and then just put a master cylinder here, like so, and boom, voila. Okay, so the brake master cylinder is in, and that means the time has come
To test yet another technique.
because we're still struggling with taking out the steering wheel from here. We tried to do Jimmy Ox's method, it didn't work. We tried force, it didn't really
We
work.
tried boogie, didn't work, which is very strange.
And then Boogie's grandpa gave us this, and he said, use this.
So we need to figure this out, what this is.
This is professional tool.
This is ball grabber.
Ball
Ball grabber.
Yes,
Oh.
you can.
Boom. 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 Okay, so we're gonna approach the topping smart with the head. Not like the others, you know, they would try to rip it off, I don't know, use, you know, don't be aggressive, just think.
Smart.
Boom.
You've got a.
Hey, wait, we can try Jimmy Oaks' technique but with hammers. Where's the hammer?
Yes! need to go to our very good friend Buczek and get a few very nice parts.
Wait, we cannot go Buczek with empty hands.
Oh, no.
It's a good deal. Hey! Okay, Marek, you know what you do?
Okay, I will try to remember. So
Yeah. So you
left
take
hand, right hand.
So you take a beer and
Shushak.
he gives you this.
Oh, in Shushak. If you can Shushak, no problem.
No, I'm not that good.
No?
Yeah, not that
Too
big.
small.
I don't have that much of a zoom lens, you know. Okay. Ready? You need to say
And you
action.
have to say
You need to say action.
Action! Oh, mister, kurwa. Tak.
Tak? Good? Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Take this shit.
Thank you.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Sheesh. That's super nice.
Man.
So this is the car they made for Darek's son, right?
Yes.
Man, it has bigger brakes than your Miata.
That is true though. Look at the fitment though. Oof.
So cold, man. You know what would be nice right now, yeah?
What?
To eat the Mackies. Some place where we can chill for a bit, and like a zone where we can chill. You know?
Like a chilling zone.
Yeah, like a chilling zone where we could sit down and eat. Usually Sam is having burger first, and I have the fries first, and we never settle this down.
Because what's the point of having fries?
What's the point of having burger first?
Because
You save the best for the last,
because
and then you enjoy it.
my burger is warm.
It's
When
warm
you eat
anyway.
when you eat the fries first,
Yeah,
your
because
burger's getting cold.
You eat for 20 minutes, one fries.
My day.
This guy. Fries first, one. Okay. Back to business.
So we went to Buczek's because I was looking for a clutch master cylinder and he texted me that he has one. So it's the same thing as with the brakes. We just connect this one to the pedal and then we mount this one on the engine bay and boom. Also, we talked to Buczek and we told him about our issues with these. So some, how do you say it, very creative lads, they thought that it's a good idea to put, I don't know, for me it looks like Golf 2 arches. It might be something else, but like, we don't really like this idea. It doesn't really fit the shape of the S13, so we want to get rid of this. And there's two ways to do it. First one would be to cut it out completely and trying to refabricate the OEM arch from metal. The other way is to get a full-size arch made from fiberglass of OEM style arch. Same as these. So obviously these are not the best condition. They were taken off some drift car or something. But by putting these in, we can have a rough example of how the stock arches should look like. And we can then decide if we like or not the idea of having a fiberglass arches here. So we have a brake master cylinder connected to the brake pedal and a clutch master cylinder connected to the clutch pedal. So probably the next step to do before putting the actual engine in would be to install the brake lines to connect the master cylinder with each wheel, and then actually we are gonna put the engine in. Okay, so now let's proceed to the fenders that we got. Obviously they're bad condition, but we just want to see the shape comparing to these ones, the Volkswagen Golf ones. Let's put them on. I think these are something like plus 50 millimeters wide body thing, and you can clearly see that it's wider than stock ones.
This is exactly what we wanted to not do, if that makes sense. It's just, we want to keep this body as stock looking as possible.
Yeah, you can see they're much wider than the stock ones.
We need to start working on the body of the car, making it actually, ready for painting and fixing all the little dents that there is on the car. And the biggest issue that we have is the boot lid. It's the worst out of all the body elements. So we need to really work on that.
It's very wavy, and also it has these holes. I think so.
Someone had a spoiler there.
Yeah, so someone was rocking probably very cool looking Fast and Furious spoiler right here. So I think the first thing we need to do with it is weld those back. Let's actually take a sandpaper and see what's underneath this paint.
Boy, blood.
What?
That's so bright right now.
Okay, we have the first layer of the body filler on, probably one of many on this boot lid. About the inside of the car, the only thing we need now is seats, these sides, a glove box and the floor mats.
We have these specific types of floor mats that we really love from a person that makes them locally in Poland. And in every car that we own, we have a set of floor mats. And I got new ones for my Lada. You will see them in the next video properly. Well, look at this.
Okay, no. Why?
Why not? My interior is beige, so I told them I like the flowers of like Russian traditional carpets, but on beige background. We don't usually advertise many things on this channel, but we do like to support people that support us. So by the time this video is out, it's actually gonna be Sunday, and that's gonna be the day when he drops his Black Friday sales. It's gonna be for I think a week or so, and the actual sale is gonna start today. There's going to be all the information about the sale on his Instagram, so if you could go check it out, that would mean the world to us.
I know that what we did in this video is not essentially super interesting about this car, but I think it's good to show you guys that building car is not only the super exciting things of putting a new shiny parts of the car. So for example, the next thing we want to do with this car before the putting engine in is to do the brake lines. And I was thinking, should we film it or not? Because it's not really an interesting thing to, do in a car. All to like watch anyone's doing it, but please let us know. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.